Welcome to our new product demo video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating Xoforms in the Xoforms dashboard. Xoforms are the new way to receive job applications and manage their entire journey. Xoforms are essential in recruitment for streamlining candidate information collection and ensuring consistent evaluation. By standardizing the data gathering process, Xoforms enable faster and more informed hiring decisions. Let's get started. There are two easy ways to start creating a Xoform in Xoforms. You can either click the Create New Xoform button directly from your dashboard or navigate to the Xoform page via the left menu bar and select the Create Xoform button. Once you click, a modal will appear prompting you to enter a name for your Xoform. Simply type in the desired name and then click on the Create from Scratch button. Now, you'll see the form name you entered displayed here. Following the name, there's a section for the form description. You'll notice a pre-filled description is already there, but if it doesn't quite match what you need, feel free to edit it. For this demo, we will keep it as it is. When you're ready to proceed, click the next button at the top right. When you first start, you'll notice a few suggested fields have already been added. These include the name and email fields, which are default and cannot be edited. If these fields suit your needs, great. But if not, you can easily create your own custom fields. To add a new field, click on the Add New Form Field button. This will create a new field in your form. On the left side of the field, there's a drop-down menu where you can select the type of form field you want to add. Xoforms offers a wide variety of field types, including video, short answer, number, email, paragraph, upload file, webcam snapshot, date and time, multiple choice, etc. Let's start by adding a short answer field. Enter a question you'd like to ask, for example. What was your last job role? Also see a toggle here to set whether this field is required or not. There's also a slider to set the maximum number of characters for the response. Once everything is set up, go ahead and save this field. Next, let's create a number field. Start by giving it a question and make it a required field as well. The number field has a couple of extra configurations, such as setting a minimum value, maximum value, the step to increase precision or step value, and if you want to suggest a preferred answer. In a similar way, you can create other fields like video, paragraph, or number range fields. For a yes or no field, you can set a preferred answer. For example, let's say we want candidates who select no to be automatically disqualified. We'll set yes as the preferred answer and assign a score of 20 points to those who choose it. The upload file field is handy for collecting various types of files from candidates, such as resumes or ID cards. Lastly, let's create a multiple choice question field. This can also be set as a multiple answer question by adjusting the minimum and maximum number of allowed answers. If you ever need to discard a field you've created, just hit the discard button. The duplicate button is also useful if you want to clone a field. Just change the type, question, and other configurations as needed. Now that we've finished setting up our form, click on Create Xoform in the top right corner. Just like with assessments in Xoforms, Xoforms offer multiple ways to invite candidates to complete the form. You can generate an open link or QR code for public access, invite a single candidate via email, or use the bulk invite feature for a large number of candidates. If you want to preview how your form will look to candidates or double-check your configurations, just click on the Preview Form button. This will take you to a preview mode where you can review everything. And that's how you successfully create a Xoform in Xoforms dashboard. Want to access customizable and intuitive recruitment forms, enabling you to collect, segment, and analyze candidate data? Simply visit Xoforms.com and book a personalized demo today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the notification bell for all updates, as we will be bringing more product demos in upcoming videos.